Rocket Money is a service designed to help users negotiate and lower their bills, saving them money on their monthly expenses. The process is straightforward and can be broken down into simple steps. First, you sign up for Rocket Money and link your accounts, allowing the service to access your bills and negotiate on your behalf. This is done securely, and you can choose which bills you want Rocket Money to negotiate. Next, Rocket Money's team of experts reviews your bills to identify potential savings opportunities. They use their knowledge of industry standards and pricing to determine if you are overpaying for any services. If they find that you are overpaying, Rocket Money will contact your service providers to negotiate a lower rate. This can include bills such as cable, internet, phone, and insurance. The negotiation process typically involves Rocket Money's team making a case to the service provider that you are paying too much and should be given a better rate. They may use data and comparison pricing to support their argument. If the negotiation is successful, Rocket Money will secure a lower rate for you, and you will start saving money on your bill. You will be notified of the new rate and the amount you will be saving. It is worth noting that Rocket Money only charges a fee if they are successful in negotiating a lower rate for you. This fee is typically a percentage of the savings they secure. To get the most out of Rocket Money, it is best to link all of your accounts and let their team review your bills to identify potential savings. You should also be prepared to provide some information about your usage and preferences to help their team negotiate the best rate for you. Overall, Rocket Money can be a valuable tool for anyone looking to save money on their monthly bills. By following these simple steps and allowing Rocket Money to negotiate on your behalf, you can potentially save hundreds of dollars per year.